Hi, welcome back to the Derling YouTube channel. Today, my husband and I made a reservation for Saturday dinner at ITC Ratnadipa Hotel. So, here we are at the hotel, arrived and handed over our vehicle to the valet parking service. Now, let's head inside the Indian Pavilion restaurant and check out the place, the atmosphere, and of course, the food. So we started off with some soups and starters. And guys, just look at this spread. They had such a huge variety of dishes from different cuisines, from Indian to Chinese, Western, and also specially for local lovers. So there were so many options to choose from. Honestly, we didn't even know where to start. So we decided to try a little bit of everything, especially the dishes we don't usually get to eat very often. But of course we couldn't miss the egg hoppers with the kochi sambal from the local station. That was one thing we definitely had to try. Here's my husband trying some sushi, one of his absolute favorites. I've never been a big fan of sushi, but I decided to give it a try, and honestly, it was delicious. So I might be changing my mind about sushi. Here's the grilled seafood and meat station. So we tried some prawns, cuttlefish, and of course some beef as well. Everything looked so tempting. Here's the local food station, and from here we tried egg hoppers like I said before, with some kochi sambal and also brinjal mojo. Alright guys, so next up from the Indian dishes, we tried garlic naan with a super rich spicy mutton curry. They had biryani as well, but we couldn't eat biryani. We tried only naan with the curry. And here comes the Pani Puri station. That is one of India's street food snack, right? So we tried some Pani Puri as well, but I was not a big fan of Pani Puri, but my husband is. And finally, the absolute best part of the buffet, desserts. Real talk though, when the spread is huge, we couldn't select what to eat. Just grabbed a few favorites to satisfy our sweet tooth. And that is a wrap on the buffet story. Our ride just pulled up, so we headed back home. Thank you so much for watching the video and stay tuned for more. Bye bye.